back to my channel. This is Joey D. Let's make some dinner today. It's chicken barbecue, bibimbap, and a chicken soup. It's a simple meal, but it requires a lot of work. This is my style. First, slice all vegetables thinly and evenly so that it will be properly cooked. And I already cut the carrot ahead of time. Cut the red bell pepper thinly. And cut the cabbage thinly as well, but not too much, cause it easily can cook. Slice the onion thinly as well. Sauté carrots in olive oil. Sprinkle some black pepper and salt to taste. Now let's put in the onion and wait until it cooks and set it aside. All vegetables will be cooked separately. This time we're going to saute the sauté in olive oil. Sprinkle some mixed herbs, salt to taste, drizzle some sesame oil, and sprinkle some black pepper. Wait until it cooks, then set it aside. Sauté the bell pepper and cabbage in an olive oil. Salt to taste. Sprinkle some black pepper. Put some mixed herbs. And saute until it cooks. And here's the bibimbap chicken barbecue, my style. And here's the recipe for chicken barbecue and also for the chicken soup. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please click the bell.